Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm very excited to be reviewing my first, ooh, this is kind of big, Boxycharm Premium. I think it's my first one. I don't think I've ever gone beyond the base box, so this will be different. And please forgive that. Our hardworking, dedicated male people apparently had a little dent in while traveling, but it's good. I'm sure everything inside is intact. This package is for April 2020. And just in case if I wasn't that sure which version it was, even though this is a much bigger box, this is the Boxycharm Premium. This is my first ever premium, so I'm really excited about it. Whew. And it's big. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. It feels heavier too than the original box. And there seems to be a lot of interesting things in there, guys. Looks like there's even a eyeshadow palette. What? Let's see what's inside. I put on my reading glasses. I know, they're not strong. They're just simply to read. It's the same theme as the base box, Festival Vibes. And it turns out this is an eye palette from Smashbox. This is the Smashbox LA Cover Shot. This eyeshadow palette lets you play with the shades of LA. It features 9 mattes and 7 shimmers inspired by the streets, sunsets, and skylines of LA, plus a full-size eyeliner. This retails for $45. Wow, what? Yeah, it says a full-size liner inside. You see that? Yeah, there you go. I'm so excited. Like, ooh. I don't think I have any Smashbox shadows. I have their lipsticks, like that 8-hour stay on one, which I love. It's one of my faves. This is the cover, how it looks. See that beautiful purple blue kind of thing going on there? That is looking very cute. I think that's a new thing now. All these palettes are coming out with this kind of weird textured, ooh, okay, can you see that? That beautiful? And lately it's been that a lot of these shades are coming out, these palettes, with a, you know, a punch of blue or some random bright color. But you can see the color scheme. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. There are 4 different looks in this palette, at the very least. And that's not bad at all. And the liner is right here. And I like that it has a little space for it. So everything is compact. It can be kept together. Looks like a shade of black. That's how it looks on the, okay. Goes on smooth. This is the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner. Okay, I like that. And it's in the color is called Fishnet, as in fishnet stockings. Love it. It smells clean. And if you think that what they say, the line of that it's always on liner, I'm rubbing it now. It's not smudging. I'm already liking this liner. I can't wait to put it on. It feels so smooth going on. The only thing is that you better not make a mistake with this, otherwise you're gonna have to do a serious redo. But I'm loving that. It goes on, it stays on. Okay, the next thing in this package is from Peach and Lily. I have never used anything from this brand. I'm pretty sure I haven't. It's not familiar to me. This is the Peach and Lily, the Good Acids Pore Toner. A toner, yes, love toners. This pH balancing toner helps gently slow off dead skin cells and prep skin for the rest of your routine. AHAs help loosen dead skin cells so they can fall away, which helps maintain clean pores. Wow, I'm loving that. What else does it say? Cape lilac, eggplant, and turmeric extracts soothe and nourish. Discover an easy way to radiance. Okay, let's play what the price of this is. This baby is $39 US, and this is full size. 39, which is already the price of the box. Even the Smashbox at 45 is beyond the price of the box, I believe. On to the next thing. I think I'm starting to see a pattern here. This next one is also, I believe, for the skin. This is called from Libido, the company Libido, and this is Age Away Replenishing Cream. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture, while it deeply nourishes mature skin. The retail price for this bad boy? $69 US. Yes, I'll say that again. $69. Packaging is no nonsense, pretty. This is raised, so, you know, figuring these ingredients must be pretty stellar. And this better back up for this is $65 for this, $69. What? This is like a deluxe sample to me. What is this? Has grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. Never heard of this brand, but I'm gonna try it. I'm just blown away by that price tag, $69. Whoa. The way I make it sounds, it better take off 20 years off my life. Okay, next thing here, ladies and gentlemen, is for the hair. Yay, love the hair, because, you know, I have a hat covering because it looks pretty scary, but, you know, hey. This is from IGK, and this is called Good Behavior. It's spirulina protein smoothing spray, which I could use. Heat protective blowout spray mimics the smooth, frizz-free results of a keratin treatment. Already, you got me. 100% agreed. 100% of people apparently who were gifted maybe to try this out agreed their hair looked like they got a keratin treatment at a salon. It just says 100% agreed. I don't know if that's people. It sounds like it might be. Maybe they dropped a word. The wording's a little awkward. I don't know how this was studied and looked at, but hey, this little baby costs $32 US. I'll try it. Anything for the hair to smooth it out, make it look healthy, thick, beautiful, manageable, I am all for it. Let's see. It's in a spray can, so not really keen about, you know, the trend of things going to, oh, it smells good though. If you're not into fragrance, this isn't for you, but it smells nice to me. It smells like a finishing spray, definitely, but nice. I've heard of this brand, Nudestix. Nudestix is their magnetic lip plush paints, where luxury K-beauty and multitasking color meets long-wear performance. Magnetic lip plush paints are luxurious soft nudes in a feather light blurring matte velvety texture that is non-drying and long-wearing, presented in monochromatic tones. The price of this little baby, $28 US. Wow. So I mean, the price of the Boxycharm Premium, at least the products and quality, is a bit pricier. But then you are paying slightly more. You're paying $10 more for the premium box. So, okay. And it's nude, a color that pleases everybody. Looks good on everybody. We're just going to see how it looks like inside. Oh, okay. It pulls out like this. All right. I thought for a moment it was, for some reason, I thought it would be different, but it's a flat paddle. I'll try it on. Kind of matches my skin tone. My lips are pretty pigmented to begin with. And it feels very soft, the brush. It has a slight scent, almost like a vanilla scent, but it's light. It's not like overdone. And it feels soft, pillowy, nice. And the color looks good on me. Okay, last but certainly not least, Oh, and this is like in a plastic bag, which I like in case it spills. It's in the bag. That is really nice, but it didn't spill, so that's good. And it says M Greengrass on here. M Greengrass Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. This fast-absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Multi-use for body, face, and hair. Retail price for this bad boy is $36 US. I have never used a dry oil spray before. It's a nice size bottle. It is glass, so it's good that they made sure to package it really well with all of this stuff when they put everything in the box. And considering it got punched in one side, everything's intact. Everything looks good. Nothing is bleeding, oozing, or cracked, so I like that. Everything seems intact. Nothing's punctured or injured in any way. This reads Beach Air, inspired by Greece. At first I thought this was perfume. I don't know why, but it's some kind of an oil. So Beach Air Dry Oil Spray. So it's supposed to be for the skin, to leave the skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. I'll try it, definitely. Let's see how this feels. Yeah, I'm gonna spray it this way because it is oil. Oh, it's a very fine mist. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, if you're not in the sense, this isn't for you. But you could wear this as a perfume. Have you graduated to the Boxycharm Premium, which is the second level? I believe the third level above that would be Boxy Luxe. I haven't gotten to that point to get to the Luxe yet. I'm gonna give the Premium a little bit of a while to see if it's something that, you know, I would look for the future. I am curious to stick around and see what the next box will bring, so that's a plus. So let me know below in the comments whether or not you're a charmer, whether or not you subscribe to the subscription box only, or have you recently gotten off the wait list and moved up to the premium box or the Luxe. Let me know in the comments below, and what you think is the best of the three. Is it the base, premium, or the Luxe? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And I appreciate you taking time out of your day to view this video. Please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. And I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Be safe. Bye.